Sage, say hi, Daddy. Look at me. You're digging? Wow. Hey, look. Look at the phone. Tell Daddy hi. You dig? Hey. Dump it right there. Good girl. Now look at me. Hey. Hey. I love you. You're busy?
No, not.
You're not busy? You making a hole? We better go inside. It's getting cold.
No, not.
There's your Bronco.
Mommy, go.
Say, come home soon, Dad.
You, Dad.
Soon, Dad.